programmes for Saturday night on BBC1 begin at 6:15 with more adventures for Blake 7.
The Federation can use something unique, can't it? So, please, come and get us out of this place.
The Saturday film at 7:05 is Flight from Ashia, starring Yul Brynner, Richard Widmark and George Chakiris. At 8:45, Larry Grayson hosts the main attraction with guests Elaine Page, Modern Romance and Shakin' Stevens. In The Mad Death at 9:45, a deliberate act of sabotage brings new danger.
Procedure is as follows. All animals to be shot on sight.
At 10:35, Kelly Monteith. Night music at 11:05 introduces Tina Cross, an exciting young star from New Zealand. With another case for the Rockford Files at 11:45, these are programmes for Saturday night on BBC1.
On BBC 2 in 7 minutes, Animal Olympians present some of the superb physical feats of the animal world. Here on BBC1 now, the news with Jan Leeming. It's 6 o'clock.
A police inquiry in Northern Ireland after a youth is shot by a UDR patrol.